This class is built around fundamentals, not tricks, not shortcuts, fundamentals. We will focus on skills that apply everywhere: voice, movement, listening, objectives, scene work, taking direction. These are the tools actors use whether they're on stage, on camera, or in an audition room. Each class is short on purpose. You're not here to memorize theory. You can always look up theory online. You are here to understand concepts you can apply immediately. Think of this class like going to the gym. You don't walk in expecting to be strong on day one. You show up, do the work, and build over time. Acting works the same way. You will repeat exercises. You will revisit concepts. That's not redundancy, that's training. Consistency matters more than intensity. Showing up once and giving everything doesn't build skill. Showing up regularly does. And that is how you have to think about this training. You must understand, as an actress or actor, you will always be learning and making yourself better. Never stop training. You can always be better. This structure is designed to make the work manageable, repeatable, and realistic for beginners.